Future Ready New York City is a wonderful program preparing our young people for careers in healthcare in the future.
Good morning, everyone. You can grab a t-shirt.
The opportunity to work with Northwell Health on Career Discovery Week is a great chance for our students to get to see the things that we do in our classroom and teach them in our classroom really come to life.
We're just looking for that glimmer in their eye, that little bit of curiosity that we can impart by telling about what our team members do and all of the various careers that you could possibly have.
One of the really interesting things about healthcare is that there will likely be a portion within the healthcare world that aligns to what you did go to school for or what you have worked for in the past. There is so much even within this company because it is so big and broad and things change so much in the healthcare space that I never have to go to another company again.
The idea of healthcare in general is, in my opinion, a great field, first of all. You can communicate with a lot of different people, and you can help people, which, best of all.
Most of us who go into healthcare, as it's been mentioned, we want to help. We want to help people in some kind of way. And I think there's a lot of sense of purpose when you're working with people who are struggling and you're able to have a breakthrough. It just feels really good. It's very meaningful work.
My first client approaching me when we had our consultation on the phone, and her just thanking me for existing, I've been looking for a South Asian therapist for so many years. Thank you so much for taking me on. These moments where I like to reflect about my journey and obviously being able to speak to all of you really helped me realize how much my career has shaped me in so many ways. That's really my mental health and just having hope for a greater aspect of what healthcare looks like today.
So I want you to look at today as a really important opportunity to open your eyes, open your ears, open your hearts to really see the beauty of what healthcare can be.
So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today into our Cohen's Children's Rehab Center operating room. As you can see when you walked in, what do you have? Natural light. The beauty of that natural light helps our children when they're coming in to alleviate their anxiety, right? So that helps our staff as well as our patients.
It's gonna sound so cheesy, but I would make clothes for my dolls and things. So I was I think I want to do something with my hands. So in high school, actually, when I took biology, so I sort of knew that that's the route I wanted to go.
This is the Nicholas Institute of Sports Medicine and Athletic Trauma. So what I'm standing on right now is an expensive, actually 4 expensive bathroom scales. They measure the forces when I do this, when I walk, when I run, when I jump.
This is where we do all of our laser vision correction procedures. So that's PRK, LASIK, things like that.
Any questions about what I do here? The visual field is done on patients that are suspected of glaucoma.
Well, I found out you can become what's called an EMT, or an emergency medical technician, when you're 18. You can take the course when you're 17.
Most of the people who deliver healthcare are neither doctors nor nurses.
If anyone's interested in robotics or engineering, at least we have our robot here. Her name is Reva. It measures the vials and it's based on weight.
So we're patient experience, and what patient experience is the sum of all interactions that's really shaped by an organization's culture. It's one of the many non-clinical careers that you'll see.
Hi, I'm Erin Donahue. I'm the Director of Hospital Operations. My major focus of work is marketing and some fun design projects that I get to work on around here, such as the mural that you walked past when you came in this way.
We're very proud of the fact that we work with high school students to help career discovery.
It's very rewarding to see sort of their gears turning and you see them beginning to see themselves in these positions in the future and beginning to cook up their own plans and their own dreams for what their future might look like.
Today was very exciting for us because we were able to impart the wisdom of our own professions and tell about what we do and see a bit of curiosity in the students' eyes, just a glimmer of, oh, I'd like to know more about that, and who knows what that can grow into.